These are the bomb!
Actually, Jimmy, it's just basic ingredients.
This cinematic video wasn't filmed, voiced, or edited by humans. It was generated in seconds using one AI prompt. No separate voiceover, no syncing, no editing nightmare. Today, I found an AI tool on Higgsfield, testing Kling 2.6 audio, and write only a single prompt, and my image created into video. And this might be the biggest shift in AI video creation so far. In this video, I'll show you how Kling 2.6 audio works directly on the Higgsfield website, how it generates video and audio together, and that's make it super easy and easily accessible, and why this is one of the most creator-friendly AI tools available right now. Alright, let's jump straight into it. I'm currently on Higgsfield.ai and I'm opening Kling 2.6 audio. Here, you get two options. You can either upload your own image or generate one directly. If you choose to generate an image, it automatically switches you to Higgsfield Soul, which is their built-in image generator. You can create images directly there. However, I prefer creating my images externally using Nano Banana because I have more control over the final output. So I upload my own image instead. After uploading the image, you'll see a prompt box. This is where you describe what you want to happen in the video using that image. For example, a sword lifting into the air, lightning striking in the background, dust flowing through a battlefield, cinematic lighting and atmosphere. I already generated a detailed video prompt using ChatGPT, so I'll paste it here. There's also an enhanced prompt option. This feature automatically refines your prompt to improve realism and motion. For now, I'll skip it so you can see raw results. Next is the audio option. I always keep this on. If audio is turned off, there will be no lip sync, no voice generation, no sound effects. With audio on, Kling generates AI dialogue, perfect lip sync, background SFX. The selected model here is Kling 2.6. Now, let's choose the duration. You can select 5 seconds or 10 seconds. For the first test, I'll go with 5 seconds. After that, select the video ratio. 9:16 for Shorts, Reels or TikTok. 16:9 for long-form YouTube videos. Everything is set. Now I click Create. It takes a little time to process, and it's done. Let's watch the result.
This is the calm before the storm. The final battle will decide our fate.
The visuals look insane. Ultra-realistic warland, dust flowing, lightning in the background, and a shining sword. However, the dialogue feels incomplete because 5 seconds is too short. So, let's recreate it with 10 seconds. I change the duration to 10 seconds and click Create again. It takes some time, and it's done. I accidentally generated 2 videos, so let's check both. First one.
This is the last fight I will ever face. I will not falter.
The lip sync is excellent, and the AI generated its own dialogue automatically, very natural. Second one.
This is the calm before the final storm. I will face whatever comes with unyielding strength.
This is even better. Ultra-realistic, high-quality, cinematic lighting. Everything looks almost perfect. This is honestly crazy. These AI videos are being generated in just a few tries. I genuinely believe you could create an entire film using this tool. Almost no one is doing this yet, not even me. If someone commits to this, generating just 6 videos per day, each 10 seconds long, you could create a 3-hour-long full-length movie within 2 months. And yes, you could potentially sell it to platforms like Netflix or Prime Video or earn through ad revenue and licensing. And now, this is too easy with this tool because video generated by it have lip sync, voice generation, sound effects, character consistency. I'll explain this entire filmmaking strategy in the next video. AI video tools are everywhere right now, but let's be honest, most of them still break immersion. The visuals look decent, but the audio feels fake, delayed, or stitched together using third-party tools. That's where Kling 2.6 audio changes the game. It doesn't treat audio as an afterthought. Audio is native, meaning it's generated at the same time as the video. No external voice tools, no syncing nightmares, no Frankenstein workflow. One of the first things you'll notice is lip sync accuracy. The dialogue aligns naturally with facial movement.
Feastables, you are an artist!
They are better than Hershey's.
Not just technically synced, but emotionally synced. Tone, pacing, and expression actually match what's being said. And if you don't want built-in audio, you can generate a silent output. That flexibility matters, especially for serious creators. Now let's talk about motion. Kling 2.6 has significantly improved motion fidelity. Motion movements are smoother, scenes stay stable. There's far less jitter, warping, or object drift. This is one of those upgrades you don't notice immediately, but once you do, it's impossible to unsee. Everything is rendered in full 1080p, which is already ahead of many tools still struggling with consistency at lower resolutions. Now here's the part that genuinely shocked me. Kling 2.6 can recreate film-style scenes and game-like environments with the same character consistency, something most tools completely fail at. Games are especially difficult because of the number of elements involved: lighting, textures, motion, sound effects, and voice acting. Yet Kling handles it all, producing ultra-realistic voices and sound effects that don't feel layered or artificial. In some cases, it's honestly hard to tell it's AI-generated. Even product visuals are handled better. For example, branded-style packaging like Feastables chocolates stays visually consistent. Same style, same layout, no random text glitches or mismatched elements. That alone makes it far more usable for ads and short-form content. So, who benefits the most from Kling 2.6 audio? Content creators making shorts and explainers, marketers running fast turnaround video ads, filmmakers creating concept scenes or storyboards, educators who need instant narration, and agencies producing high volumes of video. One more important detail. Higsfield is currently offering unlimited Kling 2.6 audio generations for users on their Ultimate Plus plan if you buy subscription before December 12th. What surprised me is how competitive their pricing is, especially considering that video and audio are generated together in one workflow. That's rare. If you want to try Kling 2.6 audio yourself, I've put the official link in the description below. All the prompts used to generate the videos you just saw are also available there, so you can recreate everything exactly. This is honestly one of the cleanest AI video workflows I've tested so far. Kling 2.6 audio is absolutely worth checking out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.